and welcome to Cooking with a Coastie. I am CS1 Ford, and today I will be showing you how to utilize your leftovers from Taco Tuesday and turning them into a breakfast entree. Our mise en place consists of corn tortillas, some leftover bean salsa, leftover refried beans, guacamole, leftover chorizo, and a poached egg. Since this is a leftover meal, you are more than welcome to use any leftovers you have, whether it be shredded chicken, ground beef, and let's get started. So our first step is to cook off our chorizo. You're going to start off in a preheated pan. Just break it up. Right, now we're going to fry our corn tortillas. Once they're done, you want to put them on a paper towel to drain off the excess fat. And now we're going to poach an egg. I'm going to start off by circling your pan. Drop in your egg. Once we have everything ready, we're going to start the assembly process. You're going to take one of your corn tortillas and you're going to spread it with some of your refried beans. Then you'll add some of your chorizo. And that's just your bottom layer. Your top layer, same thing. You're going to use the rest of your refried beans. Some more chorizo. And this is ready to eat food, so please use gloves. Put our salsa, our sour cream, a little bit of our guac, and lastly our poached egg. And there you have a new breakfast dish utilizing leftovers from your Taco Tuesday. Thank you for tuning in with Cooking with a Coastie, and have a great Coast Guard day.